What if I told you that the less you chase, the more she feels your presence? That the more you detach, the more she desires your attention? This isn't a mind game. It's a fundamental truth grounded in Stoicism. The key to becoming truly magnetic is not about manipulation, but about understanding the natural order of attraction and human psychology. Today, we'll explore how applying Stoic principles to relationships can shift the dynamics in your favor and help you develop unshakable confidence. For centuries, men have been taught that pursuing a woman relentlessly is the path to winning her over. Fairy tales, movies, and love songs reinforce this belief. Yet, time and time again, the opposite proves true. Women are naturally drawn to men who are focused, self-contained, and emotionally secure. Men who are not seeking validation from them. This concept isn't new. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus all preached self-control, emotional mastery, and detachment from external validation. Principles that, when applied to relationships, make a man naturally more attractive. Stoicism teaches us that true power lies in controlling ourselves, not others. Women, like all people, are drawn to mystery, challenge, and confidence. When you pull away, not as a tactic, but as a natural consequence of your self-worth, she begins to feel your absence deeply. Here's why. Scarcity increases value. Anything that is too easily available is taken for granted. This applies to material things and human relationships alike. When you constantly text, call, and seek validation, you signal that your time isn't valuable. Imagine a rare, expensive car. It's desired because it's not easily accessible. The same principle applies to attraction. If you are always there, always available, and always waiting, you become common in her eyes. But if you hold back, if you let her feel your absence, your value rises. Energy flows. Where attention goes, the more you focus on her, the more power she has in your life. This is why men who are obsessed with a woman often lose her. When you redirect that energy toward yourself, your purpose, and your growth, she feels the shift and starts to seek your attention. Women are naturally attuned to emotional energy. If she feels that you are completely invested in her, she subconsciously assumes that she has already won you, making the chase uninteresting. If, however, she senses that your mind is occupied with greater things, she becomes curious and intrigued. Emotional control is attractive. Women are highly attuned to emotions. A man who remains calm, centered, and unaffected by external forces exudes confidence. Emotional stability is power. In moments of uncertainty, a woman will test a man's ability to remain composed. If you react emotionally or show insecurity, you lower your value in her eyes. But if you remain grounded, if you show that her actions do not dictate your mood, you become more attractive. This doesn't mean being cold or distant. It means being strong and unwavering. A man who can navigate his emotions with discipline and control is far more desirable than one who is constantly seeking reassurance. She tests you for strength. Women naturally test men to see if they are easily shaken. If you react emotionally or chase when she pulls away, you fail the test. If you remain composed, you prove your strength. Think about it. Women are biologically wired to seek security in a partner. A man who crumbles under pressure, who gets anxious when she pulls back, signals weakness. But a man who stands firm, who trusts himself and his path, reassures her that he is someone she can depend on. How do you apply this in your life? Here's what you need to do. 1. Detach from outcomes. You cannot control her feelings, only your own actions. If she chooses to leave, you must accept it with grace. 2. Focus on your mission. Women admire men with purpose. If you lack direction, you become replaceable, Develop a vision for your life that is bigger than any relationship. 3. Master the art of silence. Not every message needs a reply. Not every call needs an answer. This isn't about playing games. It's about self-respect. You become predictable if you are always the first to reach out, always eager to respond. The paradox of attraction is that the more you chase, the less you get. When you become too eager, too available, or too invested in someone else's validation, you hand over your power. But when you embrace Stoic principles, self-control, discipline, and emotional mastery, you naturally command respect and desire. A high-value man does not beg for attention. He commands it through his presence. If this video resonated with you, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you want more Stoic insights on relationships and personal power, make sure to subscribe.